Hello, good morning to all. In the today class, I am going to discuss problem number 5 as per the video laboratory copy on projection of plane surfaces. As we discussed in the last class, there are three steps are there, and there are three steps are there. In each step, we need to draw two view. There are 6 views we need to draw here. So also we discuss what data are required for the first step, what data is required for the second step, what data is required for the third step. We know to begin first step we need to find out 4 data from the given problem. So for first data we need to find out what type of lamina is given with the dimension, and second data we need to find out where the given lamina is resting, whether the given lamina is resting on HP or on VP, and third data we need to find out the resting condition. We know there are only two resting conditions are there, edge or corner, whether the given lamina is resting by edge or whether the given lamina is resting by corner. That resting condition we need to find out, that is what the third data, and that resting condition may be edge or corner, that we need to take at the left side, that is what the fourth data. We know type of lamina, resting place, resting condition, and left side. These 4 data we need to find out to begin the first step. So this is what the given problem. Just I'll read once the given problem. A triangular plane lamina, here the lamina plane both are same, by mistake it came in the laboratory copy both, so you consider lamina or plane. A triangular plane lamina of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corner touching it, such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Draw the top and front views in this position. Also determine the inclination of the lamina to the reference plane. This is the given problem. This is the given problem. We know all the problems we need to solve in the first quadrant. First represent the first quadrant area, XY above XY line, VP below XY line, HP. This is the representation of first quadrant. Now find out the to begin first step we need to find out 4 data. First find out the 4 data and complete the first step. A triangular plane lamina of sides 25 mm. So the given type of lamina is triangular plane. The side distance is given 25 mm. That first data we got from the given problem. A triangular plane of sides 25 mm is resting on HP. The resting place for the second data, the given lamina is resting on HP with one of its corner. Resting condition, the given lamina is resting by corner, touching it means on HP. So, and we got 3 data, and default 4 data we have to go with the left side. So we came to know from the given problem the type of lamina is given triangular lamina, the side distance is given 25 mm, the lamina is resting on HP by corner. So you know how to begin that first step. So first draw the equilateral triangular lamina in such a way that what corner should come at the left side. Draw a side at the left side by using compass, cut on both the side and get the both side. The side distance is given, show the side distance which is given 25 mm and specify the name. This is what corner A, corner B, corner C. While specifying name, always you have to specify in this direction: corner A, corner B, corner C. Now this is what the true length top view. Now you need to take all the projector from each corner in the upward direction, from A, from B, C, both are lying in the same line. Take B and join the front view, always it fall on XY line because resting on HP. Draw the front view and show the arrow mark on the both projector. This is what the projection of front view. Now looking from this side, we need to transfer the name to the front view. This is what A, B, C, this is the top view, and looking from this side, this A will become A dash, B, C both are in the same line, so B dash in bracket C dash. B is visible, C is not visible. So this complete the first step. Now we'll go for the second step. We know the concept. If the lamina is resting on HP, second step always we require HP angle. Third step VP angle. If the lamina is resting on VP, second step we require VP angle. Third step HP angle. Now the given lamina is resting on HP. Second step we require at any cost HP angle, then VP angle. As we discussed in the last class, sometimes so second step should be completed by using angle, third step also should be completed by using angle. Sometimes any one angle will be absent, or sometimes both angle will be absent. If now the given lamina is resting on HP, second step we require HP angle. If this HP angle is absent, a condition will be given with respect to HP. If VP angle is absent, a condition will be given with respect to VP. So now here, so second step we require HP angle. Find out, read the problem, find out whether the angle is given or not given. See, triangular plane lamina of sides 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corner touching it such that this touching it. This is for the up to first step. Such that the side will give. See, from this problem the given lamina is resting by corner. Okay, so such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests. He is talking about a side. It means what? Such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP. He is talking about a particular side. The lamina is resting by corner. Which is the opposite side? Opposite side is the BC. This BC is 15 mm above HP. For example, the given lamina is resting on HP by corner. The side, opposite side is this one. So this side is 15 mm from HP. From here to here. This distance is what? 15 mm from HP, above HP. This angle is not given. This HP angle is not given. Above HP distance is given. So here condition is given what? Opposite side is 15 mm above HP. Above HP. Angle HP angle. Second step we require HP angle. HP angle is not given, but above HP distance is given. Second step, HP angle is absent. Instead of that, a condition will be given. I said a condition is given what? The side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP. Second step, 15 mm above HP distance is given. So please remember, when HP angle is not given, when the lamina is resting on HP, second step we require HP angle. If that HP angle is not given, always above HP distance will be given. Always above HP distance will be given. Please remember this one. So above HP distance, it may be 15 mm or maybe whatever distance will be given. So how to complete the second step? By using above HP distance. So above HP distance is given 15 mm. So for the second step, first draw from this point to this point, mark 15 mm. From this point to this mark 15 mm. Draw one 15 mm parallel line and parallel line to the XY line and show the distance of what? 15 mm, whatever you have taken. Now mark a point here. By use somewhere mark by using compass, measure the distance from this point to this point and keep at this point and cut it. This distance from this point to this point, mark a point, keep here by compass and cut it. Wherever it is cutting, join a line and transfer the same name. This is what? A dash. This point name is what? B dash, C dash, C dash. So this completes what? The second step, front view. Okay, so now take this projector and this projector in the downward direction from each corner. Now from the top view, from A, from B, from C, and show the arrow mark on each projector line. Now you know how to find out this apparent top view. Wherever the respective alphabets are intersecting, mark the point and get all the sides. Like projector A is here. A dash take as a. Projector B, B dash take as a B. Projector C, C dash take as a C. Now join all the sides starting from A to B, B to C, C to A. This is what the apparent top view. Apparent top view. This completes the second step. Now third step, we know we require VP angle. Check whether VP angle is given or not given. So rest in 15 mm above HP, 15 mm above HP, and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. So VP for third step, VP angle is given 30 degree. Mark a point and get the 30 degree VP line. 30 degree VP line. 30 degree VP line. Okay. Now you know here he's talking about a side, opposite side, which is 15 mm above HP, and he's talking about the same side between and is there here. He's talking about a side, and this opposite side should be exactly inclined to the given VP line. So this is what the simple method. And here one thing you remember, if you are not getting the third condition for the third step, whichever side is perpendicular. See, A, B which is inclined to XY line, AC which is inclined to XY line, but BC is perpendicular to XY line. If the same problem, if it is resting by H, this perpendicular side will come here. So whichever the side is perpendicular, that perpendicular side should be exactly coincide to the given VP line. That is what the simple method. So this side should be exactly coincide to the given VP line. First mark a point. This name is what? C. By using compass, measure C to B. Keep at point, cut it. This is what? Point B. Join this BC line. Then similarly, find point A by using compass, B to A. Keep at this point, cut it. And by using compass, C to A. keep at mark, see, cut it. See, this is the true, this is the apparent less than, all three sides are not similar here. You need to measure a line from each corner, then you need to cut it and join the all remaining sides. This point is what? A. This is A, B, C. Now you need to take all the projector from upward direction, show the arrow mark, and also take this projector, and a projector is here, and also you know how to get this final front view. Same, wherever the respective alphabets are intersecting, projector A dash take as a dash, B dash take as a B dash, C dash take as a C dash. Now join all these sides from A to B, B to C to A. So this completes what the third step. So you need to follow for all the problems. This is what the solution for the third step. So here you have to, don't see here just I am getting approximate, but you need to do as per the dimension. That is what the main, the solution, the actual solution. Here I am doing approximate. If I do as per the dimensions here, it will take more than 1 hour. So please do practice as per the dimensions. This is what the third step. See, at the end what he's asking. So draw the top and front views in this position. It means what? All the 6 views. See, one more thing he's asking. Also determine the inclination of the lamina to the reference plane. Second step, HP angle is not given. Instead of that, 15 mm above HP distance is given. Determine the inclination of the lamina to the reference plane. It means he's asking the HP angle. So here at what angle you got here. After getting this view by using compass, you need to put like this. And you need to count the angle from here as a 0, 10, 20, whatever angle you are getting up to here. So this angle you need to find out. You just check in the laboratory copy what angle you got and just write this angle. This is what the solution of problem number 5. So please practice as per the dimensions. Don't miss. So we'll go for the next problem. Thank you and all.